In 2025, Apple is gearing up to redefine what performance, intelligence, and design mean in the world of laptops. The tech giant has long been at the forefront of innovation, but the introduction of the M5 MacBook Pro signals something far greater, a seismic shift in computing. This is not merely an upgrade. It's a technological revolution built to empower creators, coders, business leaders, and anyone who desires the ultimate computing experience, the new era, where desktop-class performance meets mobility, where artificial intelligence becomes personal, and where battery life and raw power coexist harmoniously. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The M5 MacBook Pro 2025 is Apple's response to an increasingly demanding world. Users today want more power, longer battery, smarter tools, and tighter ecosystem integration. Apple's answer? A machine that's built from the silicon up to deliver excellence in every dimension. Apple is known for its dedication to industrial design, and the M5 MacBook Pro continues that tradition with smart refinements over a tried-and-true chassis. While the overall aesthetic mirrors previous MacBook Pro generations, like the M1, M2, and M4, the 2025 model introduces subtle changes that elevate both look and feel. Expect premium finishes like matte black and dark titanium, providing a luxurious and modern twist. The aluminum chassis is strong, lightweight, and purpose-built for real-world use. Apple isn't chasing thinness for its own sake. Instead, it balances portability with durability. Whether you're a globe-trotting creative or a student dashing between lectures, the M5 MacBook Pro offers a seamless fusion of style and function. It slips into your backpack easily but feels robust enough to handle intensive daily workloads. Apple's Mini-LED Liquid Retina XDR display with promotion sets the gold standard in laptop visuals. Featuring a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, the screen offers a visual experience that's both immersive and precise. Whether you're scrolling, animating, or simply browsing, everything feels fluid. The display handles HDR content effortlessly with outstanding brightness and contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant color accuracy. For professionals working in color-sensitive environments, such as video editors, photographers, and designers, the M5's display ensures every pixel tells the truth. It's not just eye candy, it's a professional tool that lets your work shine. Yes, the notch remains. But it houses an upgraded camera system and enables thinner bezels for maximum screen real estate. It's a compromise that most users will quickly overlook. At the heart of this device lies the Apple M5 chip, a cutting-edge SoC, system on a chip, fabricated on TSMC's 3nm process. This new chip marks Apple's most significant leap in processing architecture since transitioning away from Intel. With a 25% faster CPU and a more efficient GPU architecture, the M5 chip is purpose-built for the modern power user. Whether you're managing massive spreadsheets, running real-time simulations, or editing 8K videos, the M5 doesn't flinch. The neural engine has been massively upgraded, making the M5 MacBook Pro a hub for on-device AI processing. From real-time language transcription to machine learning model deployment, the M5 eliminates cloud reliance, enhancing speed, privacy, and efficiency. For elite users, the M5 Max variant pushes boundaries further with